Hello, heroes. Joe Smith here again. Another Stump the Tool guy. As you can see, this isn't very big. Maybe 2 inches or less in diameter. It's got all these notches around it. In case you can't quite tell, the notches are slightly different sizes. And there's corresponding numbers on the back here. In case you can't see, they start at 9, got 10, 11, there's a 12, 13, 14, 15, another 15. Well, let's have some fun here. Let's see who can guess it first. Post in the comments below if you think you know. Or else take a wild shot or guess something funny, say something funny. Or just say hello so Joe Smith knows that you like watching these and learning about tools even if you don't ever guess. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for playing. Hope you enjoy all these. Thanks for supporting Joe Smith. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Joe Smith don't usually say that because he don't really care too much, but it would be nice to have more subscribers and to know that Joe Smith's friends and heroes appreciates his time and efforts and hard work doing these for you guys. So show Joe Smith some love here. Thank you, heroes. It's been Joe Smith, signing out.